All right, WMC, this is the video to find our two mini winners for my Bob Uecker 8x10 and Ananazio 8x10. So we'll check the time, February 25th at 8:32 p.m. We're going to go over to the mini and type live. And we've got February 25th at 8:32 p.m. There is the list of our 8 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 2 will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Once again, looking for the top 2. Here we go. Good luck. It is Joel and John. So, Joel, you'll get 3 spots in the main. John, you will get the remaining spot in the main. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, February 25th, 8:33 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.